Hello guys! Welcome to my channel, Mervy TV. So kung bago ka lang po dito sa ating channel guys, ay please consider subscribe na po. Dahil mag-share po tayo ng mga application or website na pwede po nating pagkikitaan online po. Bago po tayo pumunta sa ating main topic guys, ay may share po ako sa inyo na isa pong Decent hardware wallet po. Ito po si Decent ay the most easy and safe hardware wallet. Kung gusto niyo po ng mga protection sa inyong mga funds guys, ay pwede po ito si Decent hardware wallet. So ang link po nito guys ay nasa ating description box below lang po, no. Kung gusto niyo bumili gamit ang ating link ay may discount po kayo. So, ito nga po pala yung main topic natin guys, no, si Argomalls po. So, ang link po nito guys ay nasa ating description box below lang po, no. I-click nyo lang po yung link at tapos automatic na po kayong mapunta dito at may code na po yan guys, no. So, ang una po natin gawin guys ay syempre magre-register muna tayo dito. Ilagay nyo lang po yung username nyo dito at saka yung mobile number. May +63 na po yan yung code nyo. Country code po +63. And yung password nyo guys, no, at ulitin nyo lang po yung password at tap nyo lang po yung I have agreed to service agreement all, tapos tap nyo lang po yung registered account. So nakapag-register na po ako lods, no, so tap ko na lang po yung login. So ayan guys, dito dapat yan, nakasave na po yung login confirmation natin. So tap ko na lang po yung login. So, login success na yan. Nakapasok na po tayo sa kanilang main dashboard po. So, ayan guys, no, may nakalagay po dito na welcome everyone to join Argomalls. Malls work easily for 10 minutes every day to earn high commissions. The deposit QR code will change from time to time. Please do not save the QR code. You need to obtain a new QR code on the platform to deposit po. So, ayan guys, no, tap nyo lang po yung okay. So, ayan guys, no, may nakalagay po sila dito na become a member and earn daily. New user member will receive 20 pesos. Join BP 1 and earn 45 pesos per day. Join BP 2 and earn 270 pesos per day. And join BP 3 and earn 1,200 per day. Hanggang VIP po, BP 5 po, no, may matatanggap po tayo na 22,500 pesos per day po. First time upgrade reward, may deposit 3,000 for the first time, become VIP 3 and reward 300 pesos. Deposit 6,000 for the first time, magiging VIP 4 ka at may matanggap ka po na 700 pesos po, no. Deposit 15,000 po for the first time to become VIP 5 and get a bonus 1,800 pesos po, no. So ayan po guys, no, invite po yung friends, enjoy up to 15% cashback on orders. Tier 1 members enjoy 15% discount on orders. So hanggang tier 3 po yan guys, members enjoy 2% discount on orders. So ayan guys, no, may balance po tayo dito na 1,220 po. Nag-recharge po ako ng 1,200. Yung 20 pesos po is free lang po. So ito po guys, no, ang gawin nyo lang po dito ay na dito guys, no, dapat ma-open nyo lang po dito yung mga VIP, no. VIP 1 po, may required investment is 300 pesos. Commission is 1.5% at may 10 tasks po siya. So VIP 2 po ay ito. Required investment is 1,200. Commission is 1.5%. VIP 3 naman, commission niya is 1.6% at may 25 tasks hanggang VIP 5 po dito po guys, no, mas malaki, may 50 tasks po dito at may 3% commission. So ito rin mga partner nila guys, no, Shopee, Amazon. So ayan po, marami po silang mga partner dito. So ayan guys, no, na-open ko na po yung VIP 1. So 300 kasi yung amount ko is 1,200. So ang na-open niya na po is VIP to current level. So para makapag ano kayo dito guys, makapag VIP kayo dito, VIP to ay kailangan nyo lang mag-recharge po, no. So ayan, tap nyo lang po itong recharge, tap nyo yung recharge. So ayan po, pipili ka na lang po yung ilang amount sa anong VIP po, no. Ito 300 pesos VIP 1, 1,200 VIP 2. Dito naman sa 3,000 VIP 3. So ikaw na po bahala kung ano ang gusto mong VIP po, no. So may nakalagay po dito na do not save the recharge card number, please re-obtain the card number each time po. So ayan, pagkatapos nyo lagay yung amount, for example 1,200 for VIP 2, tap nyo lang yung recharge at automatic na po kayong mapunta yan sa GCash guys, no. So antayin lang po natin, naglo-loading pa po siya. So ayan po, nandito na po tayo sa ating GCash. So maglalagay ka lang po ng mobile number mo, for example ganyan, at pagkatapos tap nyo lang yung next at magpipay na lang po kayo, no. So ganyan lang sa pag-recharge guys, no. So automatic na po siya sa GCash. So balik na po tayo sa kanilang main. So ito po. So pagkatapos nyo magka-recharge guys ay pwede na po kayong pwede nyo po yung kunin yung task VIP 2. For example VIP 2 yung kinuha mo, ito 1,200. Ayan, 1,200 investment amount. Commission, ito pong commission 0.5%. 15%. So may 15 tasks po siya guys, no. So ang order po ito 1. So tap nyo lang po yung start working. So 15 times po guys, no. Hello, you are about to start your earning journey. Please start your mission and wish you a happy work. So tap nyo lang yung okay. So ayan guys, success na po siya. Ito na po yung order remaining time at commission 17.64 pesos po. Tap nyo lang po yung payment. Order submission complete po. So ayan, complete na po. So ayan, no, balik na po tayo. May 1 complete na po tayo. At uulitin naman natin hanggang 15 po. So tap nyo lang payment. So complete na po. Ulitin naman natin, start working. So ayan guys, no, another 17.64 po. So naghahalaga lang po ng 1,200, may 270 pesos a day ka na po guys, no. So ayan, success na po. May 3 na po tayong na-complete, start working. So ayan, complete na naman. So babalikan ko na lang po kayo guys, no, pag malapit na po nating ma-complete yung 15 tasks guys, no. So ayan, complete na po. So babalikan ko na lang po kayo, i-post ko muna tong video para madali nyo lang mapanood. So wait. So ayan guys, no, 7 na po yung nag-grab order natin guys. So keep grabbing lang po guys, no, hanggang maabot natin yung task na 15. So start working. Tap nyo lang yung payment guys, no. So mag-generate na po yung order pagkatapos ma-complete. So keep grab order lang po guys. So ayan na yung order complete natin, 8 na po. So babalik lang po tayo hanggang matapos guys, no. So ayan guys, no, isa na lang po yung kulang niya. So ito na po yung commission natin. Dito natin makikita yung commission natin ngayon, no. So kulang lang po isa. So successful grab, tap natin yung payment. Generate product order, order submission complete. So order processing complete na po siya guys. So ayan guys, no, natapos. Congratulations, you have complete the work tasks of the current level. Upgrade to unlock more tasks to get more commissions. I wish you happy life. So ayan guys, no, may 264.6 na po tayo. Everyday na po to guys, no. Sa halaga lang po ng 1,200 amount, may everyday income na po tayo na 264.6 everyday guys, no. So ayan guys, no, ito na po yung available balance natin guys. So ito guys, pwede na po natin siyang i-withdraw. So punta na po tayo sa withdrawal guys, no. Tap nyo lang yung home. At ayan, ito po yung withdrawal. Tap nyo lang yung withdrawal. So una natin gawin guys, dapat mag-bind muna tayo ng ating bank, no. So punta muna tayo dito sa may. So may nakalagay po dito na bind bank account, bind bank card. So ayan, pipili ka lang po dito na tap nyo lang yung bank list. Dito may nakalagay po na may GCash, Asia United Bank, Union Bank, Starpay, Swiss Bank, yan, Savings Bank, Malayan Bank, East Rural Bank, Producer Bank. So marami pa dito guys, no. So dito po sa GCash po tayo mag-withdraw po, no. Tap natin yung GCash. Lagay nyo lang yung account name ng GCash nyo. Ganyan. And bank account number. So ayan guys, no, lagay nyo lang po yung number. So fund password po, lagay nyo po yung fund password nyo. And modify information. Operation complete na po. Yan, nakabind na po yung ating bank. So punta na po tayo dito sa withdraw. Tap nyo lang yung withdraw. So ayan po, nakabind po ating mobile number, withdraw cash to. Ayan, lagay nyo lang po yung withdrawal amount dito guys, no. So ayan, for example 1,484.60. So ayan po, fund password po, lagay nyo lang dyan yung ginawa nyo. At pagkatapos, ayan guys, number 1, after withdrawal, it will be credited successfully within an hour. In some banks are slow to settle. Number 2, no processing fees for withdrawal. So wala po siyang processing fees guys, no. Number 3, financial working hours is 10 AM to 22 PM. If you have any questions, you can consult online customer service. So ayan guys, tap nyo lang din yung withdrawal. submitted successfully, please wait patiently. So antayin lang natin yun, dumating yung ating withdraw guys, no. Dito po yan makikita sa withdrawal record, no. So ayan po, cumulative withdrawal po, ayan. So antayin lang natin yan complete. So pending approval pa po siya. So dito guys, through invite po pwede tayo din kikita guys, no. Punta lang tayo sa home at pagkatapos tap nyo yung invite. So dito po natin makikita yung link natin, work half an hour a day to join my company. Amount income of 500,000 pesos is just the beginning. Every invitation is a seed of opportunity as a springboard to wealth and freedom. Unlimited sharing, big discount. Now the first level is still 15%, the second level is still 5%, and the third level is 2%. So ito po yung link natin guys. Copy lang po natin. Ito yung code. Pwede nyo natin copy. I-share natin sa any social media platform natin para kung marami tayong ma-invite, mas marami po tayong commission. So copy nyo lang yan. So ayan. At pagkatapos dito naman guys, no, balik na po tayo sa home. May Kugan Pay po sila dito guys. Ayan po, Kugan Pay. Pwede nyo yung gamitin din sa pag-transfer ng amount by Kugan Pay po, no. So ayan guys, no, nakapadali lang po. Kung gusto nyo dito mag-invest guys, nasa sa inyo lang po guys, no. Di ko po kayo pinipilit. So ito na po yung earnings today guys. Ito na yung gain today's commission. So ayan guys, no, may mga about us po sila dito. About us, pwede nyo yung tingnan kung ano ang nasa about us po nila guys, no. And may terms and conditions sila dito. Ayan po, basahin nyo lang po dyan. At may mga agency collaboration, business introduction. So ayan lang guys, no, kung customer service, nandito rin yung customer service. So ayan po, no, yung customer service, may message nyo lang po dyan. Tap nyo lang yung 10 to 22. So ayan. So kung gusto nyo mag-grab an order dito po sa grab an order guys, no. So ayan po, dyan, tap nyo lang yung grab an order. Yan, dito po yun makikita yung mga task natin na complete. So ayan po yung mga complete task natin guys. Ayan, 15 po yan. Dito po yun makikita. So yun lang guys, no, at maraming salamat sa panonood po, no. Sana nagustuhan nyo po yung video natin at sana makatulong po to sa inyo guys. At yun lang po, good luck.